Hello, my name is Johnny and I'm a developer and I'm creating a startup that solves a real life problem. And that problem is house renting in Ghana. And I'm doing all this in public.
Alright. I spent most of the time yesterday building the UI for it, and I made the mobile version first because that was what I thought I might do first. Although in the end we'll still be having the mobile and the website version. But considering the factors and some of the pros and cons, I'll be making the website version first. So after when I'm done with the mobile version of the UI, I'll be doing the website version very soon, hopefully today or maybe. So that's the news now. I'm also going to do complete the mobile version of the UI, then hop on to the desktop version today. So hopefully today I'll start doing the website version, and I hope to finish either today or maybe tomorrow. Then we jump to the code. So stay tuned. Let's go do some UI. 5:37 now p.m. and I'm kind of done with the mobile UI, and I've started with the desktop one. Hopefully by tomorrow I'll get things done and I'll get down to making the front end of the website. And yeah, so see you next time. In the next video we'll be making the front end of the website and just start to get things down. Once again, my name is Johnny and I'm out.